So the last time you saw me, I was suffering through emotional damage in the worst burger in Leicester. So today we are flipping the script around and we are going to the best burger in the possibly whole UK. So today we are here in Nottingham at the Red Dog Saloon, which is just down there. And we're gonna go there and review the burger, which have like 3 patties, sauce, cheese, pulled pork and everything. So let's just go in. And so first impressions, the place is pretty quiet because obviously I came at the 1 o'clock, which they only open about 12. But so devastated that they don't have the Devastator burger. Funny enough, the name of it already says why you get devastated, because they don't do that anymore. Anyways, we have ordered ourselves a Punisher burger for £22. So you can see here, £22, and it's chopped pork, bacon, American cheese, North Carolina vinegar barbecue, Red Dog sauce, and obviously have to get some drink. I took for Diet Coke because we'll have enough calories from the burger. So now it's all the waiting game until we get the actual burger and then just dive into it. Look, they even have the burger eating contest here, and I think that's the wall of flame. That's actually people that like finished the challenge. So and here it is, the Punisher burger. Look, multiple patties, pulled pork, the juicy bacon, all of this healthy food, healthy stuff. That's what I like to myself. I just can't wait to get into it. Obviously due to size, we can't really put it into the mouth, so I'm just gonna cut it. So just look at all that meaty stuff in there. That's how the happiness looks like. But let's just have some of it and see what it's actually like. But all of these juices and everything in here, we will definitely need some tissues. Wow. Just wow. It's like losing your virginity for first time. It's so juicy. The 30-day dried out meat, multiple patties, all melt in your mouth and just like gives this like a drip of the flavors from everything. Got some onions here, the bacon, pulled pork, and surprisingly enough, the sauce as well. And surprisingly enough, these patties, they actually hold it all together, which is pretty nice. And if you look at it visually as well, that's amazing. I mean, if that doesn't want you to have one, then I don't know how the burger should look like that you will actually like. Because so far I'm enjoying every single bite of it, even though it's like such a massive burger. I can't like put all of it in my mouth, but like the more you have, the more of it you want it. Look at this size of this bacon. How juicy is that? Wow. This is probably the happiest I've been in the last year time. Wow. If food can make you happy, that's something you have to have. Unbelievable. You know, all these calories that I've been trying to avoid, drinking all these diet drinks and everything, all comes in now, and I literally got no regrets. I do leave quite a lot of mess because juice is everywhere. Everything just melts in your mouth. And that's about half left. So far, thoughts are that I'm definitely gonna finish all of it because it's so full of flavors. Definitely worth the £22 I paid for it. But have a look on this. So once I squeeze, you can see all the juice coming out there. I'm gonna try and have a single bite of it by holding it together. No chance of that. But wow, here you can actually see 2 patties, cheese, onions, the bacon, pulled pork, all the sauces, and the patty is actually still holding it together, unlike the Leicester burger that we had. That was literally disgrace to actually calling itself a food place. I would shut the Leicester place down. These are the burgers I would eat every single day. Jeez, so good. I probably have finished just about half, but I feel already so full.
How is it for you?
It's really good.
Yes,
It's just so much of it. So much of it.
And you wanted a bigger one.
Yeah, I did.
Enjoy that.
Thank you. That's a bone. I wasn't expecting bone in it. I can see it's clearly a bone. That slightly ruins the experience. And then you guys imagine you can pay £8.50 for the burger like you had in Leicester. They had one bite, chuck it in a bin. Then you have burgers like these for £22. It's night and day. A pile of happiness. That's how I would call it. I was actually surprised that they bring it out so quick in about 5-10 minutes since I ordered. But I'm so full. I'm struggling to finish it, to be fair. £20 for it. I'm gonna finish it no matter what. Even if I get the emotional damage from the belly afterwards. But it's how much you got left. But I feel like I'm almost defeated. Just surprised how people do these challenges like eating 10, 12, 15 burgers. Just finish all the burger. And was it good? It was. I would rate it 10 out of 10. It's probably the best burger I had in my life. Since I've been like eating burgers very often, maybe 3-4 times a week. And this, so far, been the best burger. Atmosphere-wise, it's pretty quiet, nice. Would you take your date here for first time? Maybe, I don't know. Prices? They're slightly high, but the quality you're getting is well worth what you're paying for them. So yeah guys, if you like this video or you like the big massive burgers, press the like, put in comments, press subscribe and put the name in the comments, the city where you live, the best burger place you've been, the best burger you had, and maybe next time I'll come to your city and try the best burger you recommend. So as always guys, thank you very much for watching and see you all guys in the next video. Bye. 29:40.